That gets me onto the 2010, the transfer request and with the manager. That's one of the things in when we've shared a dressing room, it's one of the things I look back and go, that weren't in Wayne's nature to do that, because he was always a team first guy. And the transfer requesting or the statement went out, didn't it, on the morning of the game. And that's when I thought that this ain't the Wayne I know.
Yeah, so the club offered me a 5-year deal, a lot of money. I weren't pushing back on money. The deal was there. I had no issue with that. And then we'd sold Ronaldo, we'd sold Tevez, and I've said before, I'll say again, no disrespect to Chris Small and Phil Jones.
Yeah.
We've been them two in. So I'm like, this is probably my biggest contract I was ever going to sign. So I wanted it to be right. I wanted to know. So I went into the manager and was like, before, I had no issue with the contract. Before I go any further with the contract, what's the plan here? Like, who are we bringing in to replace Tevez and Ronaldo?